In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy code from Replit. Whether you're new to Replit or just looking for a refresher, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Replit by visiting their main website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options to navigate through. What you'll want to do next is locate the section that leads to your projects. This is typically represented as a link labeled repeat alias or something similar. Clicking on this will direct you to where your personal projects are stored. Now, as the page loads, you'll see a list of projects that you've worked on. If you're like me and have multiple projects, the list might seem overwhelming at first. No worries though. Start by browsing through the titles to find the project you need. In this instance, whether it's a project you've named SiteForge or another, click on the project that holds the code you want to copy. With the project open, you'll notice a sidebar or file explorer on the left-hand side. This space displays all the files associated with your current project. To proceed, simply scroll or search for the specific file you intend to extract the code from. As an example, let's say you're looking to examine or copy from a file named tsconfig.json. Click on this file, and it will open up the code editor with the content readily displayed in front of you. At this point, you might find yourself staring at lines of codes, numbers, and text. Don't let it intimidate you. Your main task here is straightforward. Move your cursor to the code panel and click at the very start of the text you wish to copy. Once positioned, you can hold and drag your mouse to highlight everything. Alternatively, if you want a faster way to highlight, use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac, which selects all the text instantly. Now that you have everything you need highlighted, proceed to copy the code. Use the universal shortcuts, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This command quickly copies everything you've selected to your clipboard. With that, you're all set to paste the code wherever you need it, and there you have it. Following these steps ensures that you can efficiently copy code from any project on Replit whenever necessary. Remember, copying and pasting is a valuable skill, especially in programming, as it can save time and streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy coding with Replit.